All right, welcome to the next Easter tip. This is tip number 27. In fact, kind of turns out that doing a daily 1-minute tip is harder than it sounds or looks, but we have made it this far. And in this tip, I want to explain to you something really cool that we've added to the Ultimate Easter Kit. Check this out. So if you go to the kit, you can get this totally for free. One of the things we just added was the planning checklist. You click on the link in the download section and voila, the next 100 days are planned out for your church, step by step. What we would recommend that you do 3 months out, 2 months out, 1 month out on Easter, and then what you do even after Easter to follow up with the big idea being, how do you move your church beyond a big event to big long-term impact? I love this thing. And to make this even cooler, we've taken this and broken it down to the biggest dates along the way. We put those over here in this column. But now, drumroll, with one click, you can add it to your calendar. So all these major dates populate out between now and Mother's Day if you're here in the US, and you get reminders along the way to do things like, hey, be sure you create a Google My Business post, or hey, don't forget to get a photographer to show up on Easter to take pictures of your services, and you'll get reminders on your calendar with one click. This thing is awesome. Nerds of the world, you guys will love this. Our team has been working so hard on this, and we're pumped to have it now inside the Ultimate Easter Kit. If you want this and all the other resources, the coaching videos, everything we're doing, go to churchmarketinguniversity.com/Easter. Get it. You think you're going to love it, and we'll see you in the next tip.